How do you get the concentration of something when you mix two things together? Mixture problems. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, we're going to talk about mixture problems. This is part 1 of our series revamp ng mixture problems. Kasi gusto ko talaga himayin ang bawat topic or bawat part ng itong topic na ito na pinag-uusapan natin sa algebra and minsan sa physics na rin, lumilitaw na rin. So, pag-usapan natin ito today. Now, before we do that, just a quick little plug. If you want to help support this channel by getting the hoodies, the shirts, and the stuff that I decide for this team, you can go and visit our shop at shop.teamlyqa.com para makapag-order kayo ng sarili ninyong merch. Maraming salamat sa mga bumili na at sa mga bibili pa lang. Maraming salamat because you're helping me help more people through this channel. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And now that I have that out of the way, I'm going to switch na sa aking tablet so I can explain this better. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so ito yung discussion natin on mixture problems. Basic concept muna tayo. And before you even start watching yung ating discussion ngayon, i-remind ko lang kayo na maraming mga working components pagdating sa pag-solve ng mga ganitong klaseng word problems. Dapat marunong tayo ng equation construction, dapat marunong tayo ng conversion ng percentage to decimal, decimal to percentage, and of course, multiplication pagdating sa mga decimals. And if you haven't seen the other videos na related dito, ilink ko na lang din sa description box so you can catch up. Para if you find that this is too difficult or may konsepto na hindi nyo pa masyadong na-master, pwede nyo balikan yung older videos, okay? Ganito yung usual na itsura ng mga problems na about mixtures. Sabi dito, a 3-liter solution that was 5% vinegar was mixed with a 12-liter solution that was 72% vinegar. Find the new concentration of vinegar. So again, pinaghalo yung 5% na 3 liters dun sa 72% na 12 liters, tapos ang hinahanap yung new concentration ng vinegar. So, ano ang gagawin natin dito? Now, ang ginagawa natin is we use buckets. Okay? Ano yung buckets na yan? Ganito ang ibig sabihin yan. Yung una na hinalo, ihahalo siya or dadagdag siya doon sa hinalo sa kanya at ang kalalabasan is yung end product. Okay? So, 3 buckets yan. Now, para mas visual, ihihiwa-hiwalay natin kung anong ibig sabihin yan doon sa ating problem. Sabi doon sa problem, a 3-liter solution that was 5% vinegar. Yun daw yung unang hinalo. So, ibig sabihin, itong entire part na yan, okay, yan yung first bucket. Okay, bucket number 1. Now, ako, I like putting the percentage doon sa loob ng bucket. Pero pwede nyo rin ilagay sa labas. Interchangeable naman yan kasi mamaya multiplication ang gagawin natin. Ibig sabihin, dahil may commutative property ang multiplication, pwedeng pagpalit-palitin ng pwesto as long as nasa loob siya ng same na part ng equation. If you haven't seen yung video natin recently lang, yung properties of addition and multiplication, ilink ko na lang din dito sa taas ha, so you can catch up. Napag-usapan natin yon, yung commutative, associative, distributive. This time, ilalagay lang natin yung information na binigay sa problem. Okay, so I'll keep the text blue para kita nyo pa rin. Ang ibig sabihin ko dyan, magiging ganito. I will put yung 5% sa loob. Tapos yung 3 liters, lalagay ko dito. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin yan, 5% ang vinegar dun sa solution. So siguro, sabihin natin na 5% yung purong suka, tapos hinalo siya sa 95% na, sabihin natin, tubig. Okay? Tapos, 3 liters daw siya. Now, yung second na ihahalo natin would be, ito, sabi, meron daw 12-liter solution that was 72% vinegar. So, yun yung pangalawa na idinagdag natin dito. At ang sabi dyan, ang percentage niya ay 72%. Tapos, ang kanya namang dami ay 12 liters. Okay? So, again, dalawa yung component niya. Yung tapang at yung dami. Okay? So, ang tapang, yung concentration, yun yung percentage. Yung dami would be yung liters, minsan grams, kung ano man yung measurement nung hinahalo natin. Tapos, ang hinahanap, find the new concentration of the vinegar. So, ano yung new concentration ng vinegar, ito yung magiging resulta. Okay? So, ito yung magiging combination nilang dalawa. Okay? So, ito yung pangatlong bucket natin. Now, hindi natin alam kung ano yung percentage yung hinahanap. Kasi concentration ang hinahanap. So, ibig sabihin yung percentage ang nawawala. Now, anong pwede nating makuhang information from this drawing? Alam natin na when it comes doon sa percentage, hindi pa natin siya alam right now. Pero sa dami, pwede nating ma-figure out kung ilan yung dami niya. Bakit? Kasi pagdating sa dami, we have 3 liters plus 12 liters. At ang 3 liters plus 12 liters ay, ang kalalabasan niyan ay 15. Diba? So, meron kang 15 liters nung bagong kung ano man yan na vinegar na percentage. Ilalagay natin yung X kasi siya yung nawawala. Okay? Now that we have itong drawing ng buckets, which is really handy, ang gagawin na natin siyang equation. Now, how do we do that? Again, imumultiply ko lang lahat ito. So, ito imumultiply ko sila, multiply ko to, mumultiply ko ito. Tapos, ito i-add ko sila. Now, para mas visual, again, we'll keep the colors. So, we have here 5% times 3 liters. Okay? Tapos, i-add ko daw siya sa, let's keep it red, 72% times 12 liters. Tapos, kalalabasan niya, ibig sabihin, gagawin natin siyang equal. Equal siya sa X percent, hindi natin alam kung ilan, times 15 liters. Okay? So, now that we have that, we can solve for X na. Okay? Ang suggestion ko would be this. Just so it's easier to digest, ginagawa ko na lang yung percent na symbol, tinatabi ko na lang siya for later. Okay? That way, instead of i-convert ko sila lahat, imumultiply ko siya sa buong number. Now, you can also use yung decimal na version ng percentage, lalo na kung yan ang utos ng teacher. Ang magiging itsura niyan would be like this. 5% is 0.05. So again, kaya nga sinasabi natin, importante yung conversion ng percentage to decimal. No? Tapos imumultiply ko siya sa 3. Ito, magiging 0.72. Okay? Times 12. Tapos ito, magiging 15x na lang siya. Again, you can solve it like that, or yung ginagawa ko, which is, iniiwan ko yung percentage as it is. So, gagawin ko na lang na 5, para lang whole numbers yung dinidil ko with, tapos plus 72 times 12. Kasi, minsan, pag decimal na siya, may kaba na agad na involved. So, ako, ganyan ko na lang siyang sinusolve. Kasi ito, mas madali siya, easier on my eyes and on my head, kaysa sa percentage or sa decimal. So, ito, isosolve na natin. We have 5 times 3, that is 15. Plus 72 times 12. So, 72 times 12, that would be 720 plus another 72, that is 144. So, kung idadagdag natin, that will be 864. Tama ba ako? Okay, so again, you can multiply it ng long cut, as in pagtatabihin mo sila na 72 times 12, or ang ginawa ko lang doon is 72 times 10 is 720, tapos dinagdag ko yung 144. So I can do mental math like that. So 864 is equal to 15x. So ito, pagsasamahin ko lang. So now I have 864 plus 15. So that would be 879 is equal to 15x. Tapos, para makancel natin yung 15 dito, i-divide ko both sides by 15. Okay, makakancel ngayon ito. So, x is equal to 879 divided by 15. Now, dito na nagiging tricky ang mga bagay-bagay kung hindi tayo marunong ng long division. Now, I have a video na rin on how to divide. Ililink ko na lang din dito sa taas at sa description box. Again, ito yung mga components ng pagsosolve ng mixture problems. Sa totoo lang, it's really easy naman din and swabe naman siya gawin. Kaya lang, ang thing is, kapag hindi natin na-master yung mga steps, like, yun nga, division, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. So, dahil 58.6 ang kinalabasan ng 879 divided by 15, yan ang sagot. Pero again, don't forget yung percent na tinabi natin kanina. Kasi hindi ito ang sagot. Okay? Ang sagot talaga is 58.6%. Okay? Yan ang ating final answer. Okay? So again, ano yung mga importanteng tandaan? Yung buckets, kung paano mag-solve ng equality, at of course, iwanan or wag iwanan itong percent na sign na yan. Okay? Pag hinahanap yung end result, end na concentration, percentage ang hinahanap. Alright? Now that you know yung ating basic concept, I will give you 3 problems. I want you to be careful dun sa mga nilagay ko sa problems. And again, it's the same thing that you're going to do. Mas maganda lang talaga kung may quick quiz tayo para hindi nyo makalimutan yung mga steps para pag kayo ay mag-exam na ready na kayo. And yes, itong klaseng tanong na ito ay lumalabas sa everything from civil service exam, UPCAT, hanggang sa mga mas matataas na form ng exam. Kaya mas maganda kung matututunan nyo siya. Okay? Especially doon sa mga bata na hindi STEM ang strand, until the time na nire-revise nila yung mga college entrance test, ma-encounter nyo yung mga problems like this. So kung hindi nyo siya kinover sa inyong senior high school, maganda kung matututunan nyo siya ngayon. Okay? And now that ready na tayo, if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. Okay, so ito yung tatlong tanong natin. Mukha siyang very basic, but again, it's all about paying attention to yung information, ha? Let's start with the first one. Sabi si Max daw. And again, hi Max. So salamat sa mga nagpapadala ng kanilang mga pangalan para i-include ko dun sa ating mga word problems. If you want me to do that for you, i-comment nyo lang yung pangalan ninyo or nung loved one ninyo sa baba. Tapos ipipila natin yan, gagamitin natin sa mga susunod na word problems natin. Kasi marami pa tayong mga sample problems na paparating, okay? So, shoutout na lang kay Max. Sabi, Max mixed a 13-liter solution that was 26% vinegar with a 14-liter solution that was 75% vinegar. Find the new concentration of vinegar. So, again, it's very straight to the point. Pareho yung structure dun sa kanina. Kunin uli natin yung first bucket. Ito ang laman niyan. Yan yung 13-liter solution na 26% vinegar. Yung pangalawang bucket, siya ay 14-liter solution na 75% vinegar. Ang hinahanap yung new concentration ng vinegar. So, ipipila lang natin siya. So, now we have 13 liters. ito ay 26%. Ihalo daw siya sa 14 liters na 75%. Ang hinahanap yung kalalabasan na solution. Tapos again, kung 13 liters ito at 14 liters ito, kung pagsasamahin ko siya, okay, i-add lang natin siya, ang kalalabasan niyan would be 27 liters. So kung isusulat natin yung equation, again, itatabi ko muna yung percent, mamaya ko na siya idadagdag. Ang mangyayari dyan, this will be, diretsyo na natin, 26 times 13 plus yung 75 times 14 is equal to 27x. Okay? So, isosolve na natin ito. Now, we have 26 times 13. So, again, you can do 260 plus tatlong 26 pa. That would give you 338 plus yung 75 times 14. Now, a good trick sa 75 would be to think na ang dalawang 75 kasi is equal siya sa 150. Kung dalawang 75 ay 150 at meron kang 14 nun, i-divide ko lang yung 14 sa 2, that would be 7. Ang gagawin ko lang doon, 7 times 150. So again, that's another way to solve it, or kung gusto nyo i-long cut, pwede rin. Ito ay 1,050, equal po siya sa 27x. Okay, so idadagdag ko lang yung 338 sa 1,050. You have 1,388 is equal to 27x. Para ma-cancel yung 27, di-divide ko both sides by 27. So, 1,388 divided by 27, that should give us 51.41% or 51.407%. Dahil 2 decimal places tayo, ni-round off ko lang siya. Yan ang ating sagot. Yan yung x. Okay? So, I hope you got that right. Dito na tayo sa pangalawang tanong. Okay? Sabi dito, si Jed, I hope I said it right, no? Si Jed daw. Si Jed mixed 3 kilos of soil containing 8% sand with 8 kilos of soil with 22% sand. What is the sand content in the resulting mixture? So, again, i-solve lang natin siya. Same concept sa buckets. Pero if you notice, hindi na vinegar ang pinag-uusapan ngayon. Hindi na tubig. Ano na siya? Soil na siya. And kilos na siya. Pero, again, the concept remains the same. Nilagay ko lang na example ito just in case ma-encounter nyo siya sa wild tas iba yung mga binigay na information. Hindi siya laging liters. Okay? So, we have 3 kilos daw of soil na 8%. Ito yung ating blue. Tapos, ihahalo natin siya sa 8 kilos naman of soil na 22%. Ang hinahanap again is the sand content. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, percentage pa rin ang nawawala. Now, pipila na natin sa buckets natin. You have 3 kilos. Tapos, siya ay 8%. Ihahalo natin siya sa 22% na 8 kilos. Tapos, ang kalalabasan niya, hindi natin alam yung percentage, pero alam natin, kung ito ay 3, ito ay 8, at pinagsama ko sila, yan ay 11 kilos. Okay? Using that na, bubuin natin yung equation. Again, itatabi muna natin yung percentage, mamaya na natin isusulat yan sa end na sagot, para lang hindi siya maging 0.08, kasi nakaka-tense yun. So, now you have 8 times 3 plus 22 times 8 is equal to 11x. Okay? 8 times 3 is 24 plus ang 22 times 8, that would give us 176. 11x. Okay? Pag dinagdag ko ngayon yung 24 sa 176, ang kalalabasan niyan ay 200 equals 11x. Divide natin both sides sa 11 para ma-cancel yung 11 at maiwan yung x sa isang side kasi ang x ay dapat laging iniiwan. Tapos we have 200 divided by 11. Okay? So ang sagot would be 18.18%. Okay? So 18.18% yung sagot. At again, it's the same idea kahit na hindi tubig yung hinahalo. Kahit kilos siya, kung ounces yan, pounds yan, kung ano yung unit niyan, it's the same concept, just put it in buckets. Okay? And you are good to go. Kung tatlo ang hinahalo, dagdagan mo lang ng isang bucket dito. It's the same concept. Okay? Now, dito na tayo sa number 3. So again, shout out kay Angel. Sabi, Angel combined 3 kilos of cherries with 34% ripe ones into a bag of 11 kilos, which contained 58% ripe cherries. How much of the mixture is unripe cherries? Okay? Now, let's look at yung steps natin. Same thing, 3 kilos, 34%. Hinalo daw siya sa 11 kilos naman na 58%. Ang hinahanap ngayon is how much of the mixture is what? Unripe cherries. Now, babalikan natin yung nawawala kanina. Okay? Now, bakit kanina ang nalagay nating X is this directly? Kasi, ang hinahanap niya ay kung ano man yung minention dito. 34% is ripe, 58% ay ripe. Pero this time, ang hinahanap yung unripe, which is yung difference between yung total at yung mga ripe cherries. Now, there are two ways na pwede nyo to isolve. Ang una would be, instead of using yung 34% at 58%, ang kukunin natin ay yung difference ng 100% sa kanila. So, ang gagawin nating equation would be this. And again, I'm just going to show you this. You have 3 kilos. Okay? Tapos, instead of 34, ang gagawin natin, 100 minus 34. So, this will be 66%. Tapos yung red, 11 kilos siya. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, 58, ibabawas natin sa 100, so magiging 42%. Okay? Tapos, ito na ngayon definitely yung X. Again, same concept, 3 plus 11, lalabas dyan would be 14 kilos. Okay? Now, kung gusto ko to i-solve like this, i-try natin, 66 times 3, you have 100, sulat na lang natin muna. 66 times 3 plus, and then you have 42 times 11 is equal to 14x. Okay? So, 66 times 3, that is 198 plus, and then you have 42 times 11. So, that would be 420 plus another 42. 462 is equal to 14x. Okay? So, i-add ko lang yung 198 sa 462, ang lalabas dyan would be 660 is equal to 14x. Divide natin both sides sa 14. Okay? So, this will be cancelled. Okay? 660 divided by 14 is going to give us 47. Yan. Lalabas dito ay 47.14%. Okay? So, again, that is the first way of solving it. Okay? Kinuha natin direkta yung percentage na yung difference ng ripe sa unripe dun sa mga given. There is another way of solving it. Okay? Ano yung pangalawang method? Ang pangalawang method would be, kukunin lang natin yung mga given, tapos yung magiging sagot, ibabawas natin siya sa 100%. Kasi nga, ang hinahanap natin is unripe, hindi ripe. Okay? Now, anong mangyayari dito? So, diretso ko na sa equation para makita natin yung difference kasi yung space natin, nandito sila lahat. You will have 34 times 3 plus, itong binigay na, 58 times 11 equals, tapos we have 14x. Same concept naman kasi, yung percentage lang binago natin. Now, tingnan natin, dapat pareho pa rin yung makukuha nating sagot. So, 34 times 3 is 102 plus 58 times 11. So, again, kung 58 times 11, pwede natin na 58 times 10 na lang, 580 plus another 58. So, that is 638 equals 14x. Okay? Idadagdag ko sa 638 yung 102. Ang lalabas is 740 over, tapos idiretso ko na ha para may space tayo. I-divide ko sila sa 14 pareho. Makakancel ito. Ang kalalabasan nito, okay, 740 divided by 14 is 52.86%. Now, again, dahil ito ay yung mga ripe, ito percentage ng ripe cherries at ang hinahanap mo is unripe, ang gagawin ko ngayon para makuha ko yung final answer natin would be 100% minus 52.86%. And if you notice, kapag binawas ko yung 52.86% sa 100%, ang kalalabasan din niya is 47.14%. So, pareho lang sila. Okay? So, you can solve it either way. Basta, ang tatandaan ninyo, kapag ang hinahanap ay yung kasalungat, ima-minus mo pa siya sa 100 dito sa ganitong klaseng technique. Kasi kung ang sinagot ninyo ay 52.86, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, hindi nyo napansin na ang hinahanap ay unripe cherries at hindi ripe cherries. Okay? So, ingat kayo. Minsan tricky yung mga questions, lalo na kung UPCAT na pinag-uusapan. Kung alam nyo lang yung buckets, tapos isolve nyo agad, nagmamadali pa kayo. Minsan confident tayo, sinasagot natin 52, yun pala, hindi pala yun ang final answer. Kasi babawas ko pa siya dapat sa 100. Okay? So I hope you got all of these correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. Pwede nyong iwan muna, tapos balikan nyo na lang after a few weeks, and then try it again. And of course, if you want more problems, don't forget to follow me on social media. You can follow me at Lyqa Maravilla and at Team Lyqa on Instagram for yung mga quick quizzes natin that I post on Instagram stories. Mas maganda if you participate doon para mag-gauge natin kung natututo talaga kayo. And again, if you're on TikTok, you can follow me at Team Lyqa for yung mga TikTok lessons sa math, English, and more of the academic stuff. Tapos, if you want yung personal take ko, mga advice, motivational videos and other things, you can find me on TikTok din sa at Lyqa Maravilla. Alright? See you guys online. Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, lalo na kung mag-exam din sila. That way, mas marami tayong matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers that I made, or join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Subscribe na if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Meron tayong part 2 ng series na ito. Again, hihimayin natin ito lahat. It's going to be a little bit more difficult every time. But I know na kaya nyo yan dahil kinaya nyo na ang video na ito. Okay? Subscribe, hit that bell para hindi nyo yan ma-miss. And salamat sa inyong pakikinig. As we always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. Aja, aja. Kaya nyo yan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.